Honorable Chief Justice of India launches FASTER system, that is FASTER, to transmit court orders swiftly. Chief Justice of India Justice N.V. Ramana launches fast and secured transmission of electronic records at the Supreme Court in New Delhi on Thursday. Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana on Thursday launched the fast and secured transmission of electronic records FASTER, a digital platform to communicate interim orders, stay orders, bail orders, etc. of the apex court to the concerned authorities through a secured electronic communication channel. Honorable Chief Justice of India launched software to transmit court orders swiftly and securely through electronic mode, a step that will help in quick communication of judicial orders. He stressed the need for court orders passed by the higher judiciary to be safely transmitted without tinkering by third parties. Honorable Chief Justice of India Ramana, along with Justices A.M. Khanwilkar, D.Y. Chandrachud and Hemant Gupta, and Chief Justices and Judges of High Courts, was present at the online launch of the FASTER software. FASTER was launched after the bench headed by Honorable Chief Justice of India Ramana took sumoto cognizance of delay in the release of convicts even after granting of bail on grounds such as non-receipt or non-verification of judicial orders. In that case, Chief Justice of India had observed during the course of the hearing that in this modern era of technology, why are we still looking at the skies for pigeons to deliver our orders? FASTER system has been developed on a war footing by the registry in collaboration with the NIC, stated a press release of the Supreme Court, to reach all districts of India through this system. So far, 73 nodal officers have been nominated at various levels.